Today I drive through the city of Louisville, or downtown Louisville, or however you want to call it. It look like a big city though, it look kind of small compared to the city that I'm used to, you know. Buildings are not too tall, yeah, but it is what it is. They got a lot of health place right here, a whole lot of health place. Damn, how many do they have? They're in the health district. Must be the university. Oh, that's why. Oh, that's why. University of Louisville is right here. Come here and say, why me I see so much of them building there? Okay. So we have to drive through like a college area. That is it. Drive to one college here. Need to get out of here though, because everybody over here says I drive too slow for me. And the road them bumpy. I see them have a pothole in it, but the road them bumpy, man. Shake out the life over here so, on them road. I go across the bridge here so. Still have 90-something miles before we reach the fuel stop here. Right side, welcome to Indiana, or more to do, or something like that, say in Indiana. Alright, so you don't know, so when you're over here, so you have to obey the speed limit. So the speed limit is 65, so we have to go, you know, drive at 65. Whatever the speed limit is, guys. Seriously, people over here, so in Indiana, pull you over. They have the right to pull you over for doing 1 mile over the speed limit. Just 1 single mile over the speed limit, you can get pulled over here. You know, like you're not supposed to speed, but in other states, you know, you can do 5, 10 part, people. And check back in, see? Alright, people. Don't forget, the journey is long. Stay strong.